guys, we received this ceiling fan with lights, which is a remote controlled fan, which is equipped and has 6 different speeds, and is reversible, so you can use it on summer and winter. This is an installation part. This is the crystal chandelier of the fan. It looks really nice. Looks beautiful. It comes very well protected. This is a ceiling attachment. Goes with this part also. Okay, so it's nice that it comes with everything you need to install it. So let's go ahead and start assembling it before we install it upon the ceiling, okay? Okay guys, so as you can see now it's already installed. Here in the controller you can select to turn everything off or the light independently and turn on the fan. It got 6 different speeds and you can program it up to 4 hours, and you can make it go reverse or forward. And you select the other option, it will start to slow down, as you can see. And it starts spinning on the other side, which is really nice. Perfect to have it on winter and summer, so it's really nice, very fancy. I like a lot the matte finish it has, and it looks really nice. It's perfect for your kitchen, your bedroom, where you want to put it. It's really nice, so we recommend it. See ya.